Notice that Alex, the client, is holding the paddle completely wrong. The proper way to hold a kayaking paddle is to place the center on the top of your head and keep your arms at 45-degree angles. You only hold the paddle with your first finger and thumb, and the rest of the fingers rest on the bar. Alex will now demonstrate the proper way to hold a paddle.
The client here is shown doing the forward stroke the wrong way. See if you can pick out her mistakes as she paddles.
You hold the paddle at a 45-degree angle as you pull from your cuff to your hip and turn in doing so. And here, the client will demonstrate how to execute this move.
As you can see, the client, Emily, is turning the wrong way. So, to turn, you want to have an angle that's low to the water and have the paddle just under the water vertically. And we're going to do a front sweep, which means we're going to take the paddle and go in a big half circle around us, turning our body at the same time. And then at the end, you want to turn the paddle up and out of the water. To turn with a back sweep, you're going to start perpendicular to the boat. With a low shaft angle, you're going to have the paddle resting on the water. And then as you push forward, you're going to turn the paddle vertically in a big half circle, turning your body at the same time. The trainer, Emily, is going to show us the proper way to get out of a kayak. She holds the paddle behind her back for support, leans it to one direction, and then swings her feet out so she can safely exit the kayak.
This is the improper way to sit on a kayak.
Oh my God, Emily!
Kayaks are not meant for two people, as shown right here. They're a terrible mess.